Welcome to the kitchen. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. We need fresh tomatoes, minced meat, spaghetti, garlic, olive oil and parsley. Chop the tomatoes into small pieces. Mince the garlic and finely chop the parsley. These will be the base for our delicious sauce. Now let's make the meatballs. Mix minced meat with salt, pepper and chopped parsley. Roll them into small, even balls. Fry the meatballs in a hot pan until they are golden brown. This gives them a perfect crispy texture. Heat olive oil in a pan, add minced garlic and sauté until golden. Add chopped tomatoes, stir and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Finish with salt, pepper and fresh basil. Your sauce is ready. Now add the meatballs to the tomato sauce. Let them cook together for a few minutes until the flavors blend perfectly. Sprinkle with fresh parsley and it's ready to serve. Boil the spaghetti in salted water. Make sure it's al dente, which means it should still be slightly firm when you bite it. Here it is, a plate of perfectly cooked spaghetti topped with flavorful tomato sauce and juicy meatballs. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley on top. It's time to enjoy your delicious meal.